I'm tired, Blender. I'm tired of animating slowly. Why does Maya get all the good stuff? They have Animbot, they have Anim Sculpting, they have Anim Lattice, everything just works. Meanwhile, in Blender, I'm painstakingly moving keyframes one by one. Blender, I love you, but you're just disappointing. It's like a love-hate relationship. Mostly hate when I'm animating. There just has to be a better way.
But there is, my son.
Who said that? God?
No, I'm the Animate Pro logo.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Wait, what's Animate Pro? Oh, wow, this is amazing. Anim Lattice, Anim Sculpting, Play Blasting, Onion Skinning, UI Customization, Keyframe Manipulation, all in Blender? Wait, what? There's more? In the Forge bundle, there's Step Motionator, Rig UI, Transformator, Blendinator, and in the future, there's going to be Adjustment Blending. Are you kidding me? Wow, you got to be kidding. This is insane. Now I don't have to manually adjust keyframes anymore. I can actually animate without restrictions. Guys, for 3D animators who are serious about animating, you guys need to check this out. This is like Animbot on steroids in Blender. Because with these tools, it feels like a new era of animation. Get it now on Gumroad and support Nacho de Andreas, the genius behind it, because clearly there's a better way. Not affiliate, I just genuinely love this. I don't support Nacho de Andreas. He deserves it. Not sponsored, just spiritually sponsored.